this sent to me by the brand for a review, and I'm super excited to get my hands on this and to get this build. This is the box. This is what the vacuum looks like. This is how it's sealed up, so you can see that it's packaged very, very well. So if it's getting sent a long way, it's going to arrive to you in good condition. I'm just going to pull a couple of these things out so you can kind of see the accessories before I get this thing built here. This looks like one of the poles here. A little bit of an extender pole. This kind of looks like a vacuum. That's cool. This might be like the mount for it. You can throw it on the wall and have this wall mounted. Instruction manual. This is another little attachment here. And then of course, the brains to the operation. The vacuum. Looks like it just has an on-off switch. Well, let's get this bad boy put together. All right, hey everybody, so this is the vacuum. I have the cord plugged in, and it's plugged in way on the other side of the room. So this is an easy, like a 15+ foot cable that they give you here, which is great. The vacuum actually overall isn't that loud. There is a lot of power coming out of here, and there's a lot of air coming out of these exhaust fans here on the side. You can kind of see whatever dust I vacuumed up already is in there. This pole extends out, so you can, when you have this on, you can have this either like really, really long. You just push on this button right here and it kind of brings it out a little bit. There's no clip though. You just kind of just slide these two items on and just make sure you get it on there real good. Once it's on, I haven't had it fall off or anything, so it's on there and you really gotta pull this thing to come off. The main attachment, I thought it had rollers, but there's no rollers or anything here. So this is definitely good for like hard floor surfaces. Maybe not so much for rugs, but definitely for hard floors. And again, you can kind of just slide that on there like that. Push the button, extend this out. And away we go. All in all, it's working pretty well overall. It is picking up a lot of dust. It does have a lot of power. What's also neat, you could just pull this whole thing off, and then if you're doing steps or you bring this out to your car, anything like that, you can just put the accessory right on there, turn it on. Already got some dust. All you gotta do is pop this open and dump it. All in all, I think this is just a pretty solid, simple, basic vacuum. Exactly what a guy needs.